Hi, this is Jack. Today we're going to be modifying Sprites in Scratch. Let's get into this. Today we are going to be trying to get the cat and the dog to get into the phone booth and come out as different sprites. And this is how I did it. So, first I went over to my dog sprite, and this is what I got. So, I'm going to right click on this, which 2 fingers, hit duplicate, and then I'm going to flip him horizontal. Then from there, make sure that you have on the select section, and then you gotta turn the body, and then you gotta turn everything else and adjust it into the same space that they were in. And then while I was at it, I clicked on the tail and I put it into the back, and then you have the dog like this. And then what I also did is I went back, I looked at this, and I looked at the cape, and so I started off with a box, and then I switched the color to red, all red actually, and then don't remember that. And then I went to this tool right here to change it, and I brought this down, and I brought this down, and I brought this down even more, and then I went back to the select, and then I clicked on this, and I made it smaller. And then from here, I went to the lines. I brought one up, I brought another one up. This is how I did the code. What I'm doing is the dog is gonna go in the phone booth as the regular dog. He needs to come out with the cape on to the moon. So this is the code that I have. And when he's hidden inside the phone booth, I'm going to need to change him. So I go to switch costume, and my custom name for my dog is Dog Super. So I click on Dog Super, and I drag it right here, and then as you will see, I hit the flag, and then the dog goes to the phone booth, and he comes out with the cape on. I hope you guys have an amazing time modifying and creating your own sprites. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!